Okay, well, we took out the old heater.
Okay, so
Which consists of this is the core.
okay, so is that the original heater?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's the heater motor with the fan.
Okay.
About I don't know, somewhere around 13,000 BTU.
Okay.
We're putting a 32,000 BTU in.
Okay.
This one looks like it's dual fan.
This is the new one.
Yeah, this is going in now.
Okay.
The heat comes up here to the tubes for the window.
Okay.
It's 3-speed, and this little door can be open or closed for heat on the floor.
So, what does this mean for, like, do we have to change out a fuse or a fuse box or?
The wiring hooks up to the switch on the dash, 3-speed, and you're going to have just about 3 times as much more heat and fan power for the window and the floor and stuff.
So there's no major modifications that need to be done or considerations? Okay.
Just hook up the hoses and go to work.
So it's just a matter of taking out the old one and putting in the new one and going from there.
Yeah, you see where I cut it out?
I do, yeah.
That's how it goes.
Okay. So this is what he's referring to right here.
Stick it in there.
He's going to stick it in from the other side. Do you need me to give you a hand or?
Yeah, I want you to grab it from that side.
I got it. Okay, yeah.
That's how it goes.
Okay, do I still hold it or?
I want you to hold it while I put a couple screws in.
Okay.
Just a minute.
It's going to line up the screws here.
Can you hold it there?
I can, yeah.
Okay.
Now, do you leave those vents open or you
No,
covering it with
these hoses go on here.
Oh, okay. What's being done specifically here?
I took out that old heater.
Yeah.
And then we cut the hole so this new one fits in properly.
Okay.
And it's screwed in from the other side.